For us, the center is the customer and the relation with the customer, and the digitalization of the dealer is just a new way of having a touch point with all the people that want to reach out with Autotorino. Actually, for us, the most important thing is to create a consistent relation which goes from the physical world to the digital world and vice versa in a very fluid and frictionless way. We actually have always been very focused on the digital world since the beginning, and we invested since day one in creating a platform, process and scheme which in the long run can create an improvement in the way we serve and we design the service for our customer. Just to give an example, we have developed an internal BI which allow us to really drill down in each services and product in order to understand how to improve and where we can act in order to increase the efficiency and the effectiveness of what we serve. On the other end, we created a lot of service direct for the customer. Just to mention one of the most important is the no paper project, which is the whole processes we created in order to save paper in our business, which is still one impacting voice in the dealer business. And to give a measure, the last year in creating these processes which allow the customer to sign the contract and sign all the bureaucracy paper on the digital platform, we were able to save more than 5 million papers just in 2022. And for us it was a big win, both in being more fast and smart in dialogue with the customers, and in the other end in creating a positive impact on the environment. On the other side again, we are working a lot on the data. For us, creating a fluent and intelligible scheme in order to understand the data and then create a more efficient journey for the customer is one of the central aim. We have a department of more than 10 people which work on the CRM and in the data scientist department, which works every day in order to improve the journeys and to improve the service we can give to our customers. Right now, the connectivity on board allows the customer to live the mobility and the vehicle in a very new, different way. What does that mean? It means that all the customers on most of the vehicles can purchase new services on board, so new app that can improve the quality of living the mobility of the customers. On the other hand, the telematics allow us to provide more efficient service for the customer. Just think, for example, to the predictive maintenance, where we can proactively go to the customer and plan all the maintenance services in advance, providing a more, let's say, premium and more adapted and customized service to our customers. On the last end, we can just think about the impact of the telematics and on the connectivity, for example, on the value of the cars. For example, when a customer buys a car through a financial service, we can calculate exactly the most efficient time window for changing the car and taking the car back and giving a new car, trying to maximize the value and analyzing the curve of the value of the vehicle. In this way, all our customers can have a mobility very up-to-date all the time, trying to keep as stable as possible the cost. And this, for us, is one of the main mission in order to provide a very high-end service to all our customers. Autotorino is a mobility company, and Autotorino want to be a mobility company also in the future, which means that we want to go on in being close to our customer and in providing continuously improved service and consultancy. Of course, in order to do so, technology is the core, but it's people which drive innovation, it's people which drive the product development, and these people which build relations. So for us, even in the future, people will make the difference.